Etrack is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. Etrack is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to Etrack that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Etrack Wood Holders Beam Socket from Mytee Products. This etrack accessory is designed to support 2x4 or 2x6 lumber pieces in your van, trailer, workspace, or wherever you have etrack installed. You'll be able to create shelving, racks, workbenches, and more, all with etrack wood beam sockets and some lumber. The wood beam socket is crafted from zinc-plated steel for corrosion resistance, and features a heavy-duty spring-loaded latching trigger and a locking design for stability. It features 6 holes you can screw into to shore up your wood beam and lock it into place. Let's step outside and show you how to install the wood beam holder, and I'll show you some cargo control setups you can create with it. The first step is to install the wood holder beam socket by inserting it and locking them into place on your etrack. Align the beam sockets so they're all at the same height and are directly across from one another. You want your wood beams to be level. Now simply drop in your 2x4 or 2x6 lumber piece into place, ensuring both ends are securely tucked into a beam socket. For added stability, you can use screws to lock down the beam. There are 6 holes which you can screw through. From here, you can use your wood beams for a variety of cargo control setups. As you can see, it can be used as a shelving system for storage, you can use it as a tire rack, or you could even use a wood beam as a divider to keep your cargo confined to one side of your trailer. The possibilities are endless with wood holder beam sockets from Mytee Products. This is the most affordable method for outfitting and organizing your trailer, van, or workspace. The best part is that it is totally flexible and easily configurable, as you can easily uninstall the wood beams and create a new setup at a moment's notice. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your etrack wood holders beam socket from Mytee Products. While you're there, browse our full array of etrack accessories and etrack.